Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin, and today I am here in Rendville, Ohio, and we're going to be taking a quick look at the ruins of the old Rendville Public School. Now, this was the first integrated school in the state of Ohio, meaning that people of all races could attend the same classes together. Rendville in general actually was very progressive in the sense that race wasn't as big of a deal here as it was in many other places in the country, especially during these times, which would have been the 1800s through the mid-1900s. This school, I do believe, was built in the late 1800s and, of course, received some additions and, of course, maintenance over the years, but now it is in a very sad state. So looking through here, this is kind of the main classroom area that is left. As you can see, looks like we had at least 2 stories of classroom, maybe a third since the very top is also wooden. And of course we had the basement, where you can see there is still a boiler here. And you can see that it is, of course, falling apart. Now you may also notice on the walls here, there are the remains of blackboards on the walls. And an interesting thing about this is that some of the bricks, most likely either used during an expansion or during repairs, were made in prisons. So, let's see, we have one right here. We have one right here that was made in 1926. It was a convict-made brick at the Ohio State Brick Plant. And then, so we continue to walk around and take a look. There is actually still accessible the stairs up to the 2nd floor. Now, last time I was here, I did not go up them, but I am going to go up them today. I do say that if you are coming out here, be cautious. These are concrete, but it's always good to be safe. So, as you can see, we are heading up. And as we get to the top, you'll look out to the former front of the school, which is definitely much more in ruins than the other part. And from here, the drop doesn't look the worst in the world, although I would not recommend it still. But if you come over here, you can see we are in the top floor of the classrooms. And you can look straight down into the basement, 3 stories below. Definitely not for the faint of heart. I am afraid of heights, so not really for me either, but felt like I should show it off. And luckily, if I died, Dawson is here, so he can still upload it. Upload the footage, then call the cops. So, also on this property, there are stairs that lead into the town. Dawson did find some of them, but we did not follow them all the way down. There is also an empty brick structure down over that way near my car. But to end this video, I'm just going to show you guys the view from the front real quick. So, here we are. Here is the view from the front. And as you can see, despite everything having fallen down, the front door frame is still standing. Standing very strong despite everything else around it being in ruins. Now, that is all I have to show you guys today, but before I end the video, I do want to end it with something I saw online from some locals who lived in the area. They said that they had grown up in the area and that for years the school was left like it would just be reopening the next day. There's still stuff inside of it, things like that. And sadly, it has fallen into ruins now, of course. And they also did say that there used to be a bell here. However, that bell was stolen at some point. So anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I will see you guys next time with a brand new video. Thanks for watching.